यूट्यूब पे पहुंच जा, स्ट्रीम स्टार्ट ही ना स्टार्ट हो गई। वैसे इंग्लिश में बोलना है। Let's get started and make a cool music board. And yeah, how you ring this, sir? What's up, sir? गिटहब पर हो? गिटहब पे भेजूं मैं कुछ रिपोजिटोरी का? Alright, hello everybody, it's me Shishu back after a month. Let's stream and let's code a cool board with Dipanshu sir. He's a very extremely talented young man. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Alright. Music board.
किस पे कर रहा है?
क्या?
किस पे कर रहा है?
अभी तो फोल्डर बनाया मैंने बस board नाम। एक सेकंड, टाइटल में हिंदी लिख दूं। नहीं, हटा दे रहा, दोनों इंग्लिश लिख दे रहा हूँ। वैसे कोई स्ट्रीम पे है नहीं तो कोई परेशानी की बात भी नहीं। ठीक है, तो हाउ डू वी स्टार्ट सर?
अबे एक नॉर्मल सा तो नहीं करेंगे।
पहले नॉर्मल ही
तेरे को
बना
लाइक
देते हैं।
ऐसा, अरे नहीं, ऐसा कुछ है तेरे को आइडिया कि बॉट में वॉइस सर्च का?
ओ, मतलब देखा
क्यों?
जाए तो हम लोग वॉइस
मेरे
तो
को तो
रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं। फिर गूगल का जो वॉइस का एक होता है, वहाँ पे अपनी वॉइस भेजो, फिर उसका टेक्स्ट रिटर्न।
डायरेक्ट कर देंगे ना, लाइक जैसे एक होता है यूआरएल वाला, होता है एक नॉर्मल सॉन्ग आता है, वैसे एक वॉइस सर्च का भी करता है।
ओह, गुड क्वेश्चन यार।
एपीके में तो ये चीज हो जाता है। मेरे को बॉट का नहीं पता।
कोई गूगल का एपीआई वेपीआई यूज करके
हाँ,
वॉइस टू टेक्स्ट। यार, let's start with creating a simple music board which at least have a play command. Okay, sir. What's your GitHub username?
ओपन कर देख। मैंने खोला भी नहीं है, मेरे को वापस से सब अकाउंट बनाने पड़ेंगे। लिंक्डइन भी मैंने डिलीट कर दिया प्रोफाइल।
Depressed क्यों हो रहे हो भैया?
अरे मैं रोशन का दे देता हूँ। नहीं, कहीं और भेज देना।
ओ, और क्या? Good question. Here, I will start by creating a file called index.js. पर म्यूजिक प्लेयर क्या यूज करेंगे? npm i discord music player। discord
स्ट्रीम
music
ओपन
player।
करना था।
मैं जरा पूछ के आता हूँ कौन सा यूज करना है। 404 sleep not found. Hello unschooled gamer, what's up? And do you have any suggestion for a music player for Discord? Because I'm creating a music bot and I have no damn idea how it works. And I am also accompanied by a cool, young, amazing programmer called Deepanshu. So
स्मॉल किड।
yeah, small kid, big brain. Uh, yeah, trying to start Discord music.
चैनल क्यों नहीं मिल रहा?
अरे मैं YouTube पे ट्यूटोरियल सर्च कर लूँ। Sounds easier. How to make a Discord music bot. Just you, alright. NPMI dis. Why less volume of your voice? Ah, what about now? Let me reconnect my. Sounds good now. Probably it do. Noise. Alright, so we have a package now. It's called DisTube. So let's try to install it and then let's try to actually code something. Discord.js and DisTube. Let's see how it works. A Discord.js module to simplify a music command and play songs with audio filters on Discord without any API key. Okay, sounds beautiful. And then there are some requirements. Okay, we have to install this package called @discord.js/voice. Let me install this as well.
ये वॉइस सर्च के लिए है?
Hmm?
वॉइस सर्च के लिए है?
No, just for playing music. And then we have to install FFmpeg. Let's try it. Get a
Day
package and
schools
execute it
night
on file.
school paper.
FFmpeg builds binaries for Windows. So let's try to install FFmpeg. Last time when I tried to create a music bot, it was 2 years ago, and my laptop was unable to install FFmpeg, so I never made one.
नया लैपटॉप
Yes, sir. After a lot of
रिच.
struggle. Oh, no, you. Maybe I should Google search it instead of trying to install it myself. Latest Git master branch code old all this tool and then oh just 9.2 megabytes and my internet speed is amazing as always 100 kb per second. Quite fast, isn't it? This file is not commonly downloaded. Oh, downloaded.
Unexpected changes to it. Well,
My Windows shared version. All right. Uh, let's just Google search it as well. Because why not? YouTube.com. How to install FFmpeg in Windows. Download plus install FFmpeg on.
One.
Will I get copyright strike for this? Oh, and dev thing.
I will show.
Release build.
Which is built and published on
Alright, sounds like installing this thing is quite hard. Oh, maybe it is not. Seven zip for Windows. Uh, okay, this sounds like a better video. FFmpeg. FFmpeg download. Windows. Used by BTBN. Alright. Download GPL or IGP or All right. There we go. Well, we finally found the main file. Uh, Let me just send the URL.
FFmpeg. Potential dangerous download while programs downloaded from the internet may be malicious, blah blah blah.
Well, you should risk it.
Sus.
Well, we finally have FFmpeg installed. Let me just export this thing. I'm not sure where I should export it. So let's just watch the full tutorial because why not? And then what happens? After installing the release, uh, he's going to extract the thing to local disk C. All right, sounds good. Then what? Sounds like that's it. Oh, all right. Then we just have to set up the location, the command line stuff. All right. Export to a specific folder. Disks. File Explorer. Local disk C. FFmpeg. Perfect. Now I just have to open the command prompt.
Internet is just dead.
Oh, sounds fast. Copy the bin folder location. Local disk C. FFmpeg. Bin. Right click. Copy address as text. Now we have to control panel and then the advanced system settings. Advanced. Uh, Give me a second, brother. Yo, everybody, I'm back. Welcome back, everyone. I'm back. And yeah, nobody's on YouTube, so it's quite lonely here. What's up, Deep Sir? How's your
Dead shit.
FFmpeg? Seems like I finally have FFmpeg installed. Yep, it works. Perfect. Now let's move on to the next thing. Where is the next thing, by the way? How to install it? npm/package/testube. And now let's look into it. We have ffmpeg. Let me install this package as well. And then we have to install one more package, npm I paste. Now we have to install Sodium. Well, finally something is. Oh, it is also an npm package. Install this as well. Boom. All right, now I'm done with the requirements. So it's time to code. Oh, we need another dependency for fetching data from YouTube. Interesting. Node YDDL
Hmm.
code, YouTube scraper, YouTube custom playlist resolver. Uh, all right. So let's start by stealing some code. I will alive here. Yo, thanks for aliving here, man. What's up?
Unschooled gamer.
Yeah, man. We have full support on YouTube. We are getting alive here. Sponsor
Die
content
hard
created.
fans.
Yeah. Um. All right. Let me just go on their GitHub and steal some code in order to learn. Of course, I don't like to steal code. It's just learning. All right. So let me check out their package.json. Just wanna see what kind of stuff they have. Voice. Do they have Node YTDL core?
SoundCloud, Spotify, YGJQ, like Sodium Rapper. So,
YouTube से रखें अपना YouTube bot या फिर सॉरी Spotify Spotify और
एक ऑब्वियसली Spotify का प्लेलिस्ट प्ले करना है तो उससे भी हो गए और YouTube की URLs प्ले करने हैं तो YouTube का डिपेंडेंसी
all right then let's try both
सब
and
कुछ होना चाहिए.
yes and of course I'm not going to steal code at all.
Try Discord play at dev if you want.
Try Discord display at the dev also if you want that npm I Discord dash player the dev all.
Complete
Usually
framework to facilitate music commands. Audio builders like
Oh, and Android, nice. Word cons- Hmm, player dot search for player provides an extractor API. Example of what may advanced volume. Make sure that use cookies, use custom proxies.
ITDL.
Oh, all right. Seems like I installed an package for no good reason. Let me uninstall this tube as well. This tube. And now let's start by actually coding some stuff. And absolutely, we will not copy anything. That's not good. That's not ideal. All right. Now I need to get my token, and then we can get started. Probably process.n.token, and let me just get my token real quick. Meanwhile, you guys can look into my Discord. Yes. Let me just get my token. Local disk key Discord bots tutorial bot dot n copy paste. All right, now you guys can look at my full screen and let me install the .n package as well because why not? Then let's go to index.js require dot config, and sounds good. Let's try to run the bot and see if it works or not. I forgot to fix the main. Oh, I never initialized the package at all. Bad. Anyways, I do not need fmpeg static. Well, too late. I already have it. Although I don't need it, but yeah.
The specified before output and display.
Oh, I forgot to install the package. That's quite cool. npm I Discord player, and it should work now. Hopefully, no message. No dot. Okay, the bot is ready. What's up with the commands? Okay, oh, I need. Let me just.
Use Discord playlist.
Okay, let me set up everything real quick. And event, and of course I can just steal some old code because why not? Bot version 14. Oh, events. Let me just copy the event folder and use Discord. Oh shit! I forgot to install the dev version. That's at the red dev. Okay. Now let me just get the main file so that the command handler. Where's the code? Bot version 14 source. And then I guess I will just take all of this stuff. Let me just copy this as well. Copy and paste. And then fields invoice trace. We don't really need the message, but alright. Seems like the intent you were installing Windows 11. What happened? Oh, well, that's true. I forgot to install Windows 11. Well, I don't know, man. I guess I will do it pretty soon, but not right now. Probably, well, I think I should install it now because my exams are done and I'm quite free. I have a lot of time. Well, not really because I also have extra classes thing. So, yeah, half of my day is ruined daily. And let me just give it a cool description. Cool
कौन
description.
सा stream कर रहा है?
YouTube programming is name.
11th one or
Acha, oh,
12th?
bio. Sorry, my bad. Biology.
What the fuck, doctor? Neat.
uh, Good question. Name of the song. All right. All right. So let's steal some more code real quick. What is up? Let me just go on index.js. We no longer need the this part nor this part. Let me just copy this part and Ah, shit. Let me revoke my token. Well, I'm not good at streaming, so I just exposed my Discord bot's token. I think it's a ritual now. It's the third time. Ah, it sucks. How do I revoke token? Uh, uh, bot reset token. Yes, sir. Where's the authenticator? Google authenticator. Okay, yeah, there we go. Just do it. And the new 947 submit. Alright, guys, congrats. The token is revoked. And let me just go on the play command. Where is the play command? There we go. Paste. And now I guess all good. I just have to test out the code and then I'm done. Let me just paste the control K W. Alright guys, I'm back. I just fixed some stuff. And now let me start the bot. And let's hope it is going to work now. Oh shit, I forgot to change the option name. I have to name it query now. Query. And then we have an error as well. Oh, I forgot to install the package. Oh, you don't know what MS-35 is. It is a package I created for fun. And it kind of died, but yeah. Apart from that, it's kind of nice as well. And we have another error. Oh, let me fix some stuff. Uh, Alright. It should work now, hopefully. Yep. It says CrazyBot is online. Do we have a command called play? Oh yeah, we do have one. And we can give a query and I will just type legends there and let's see. And we have a beautiful error. Player is not defined. Oh, of course it is not defined. Client.player. My bad. SD client.player. Well, copy pasting code is quite fun, isn't it? Well, I'm having fun. What about you, Deep sir? Why so silent? And another error. Cannot
I'm
read properties
just
of undefined. Client.player. Okay, that's interesting. Client.player is undefined. Oh yeah, it is undefined. My bad. All right, let's get started. It should work now, hopefully. Um, Reload and
Yeah,
oh, it
the
works.
kid. आओ दलदानी माड़ा
what the fuck
तेरा
Sidhu Moosewala?
Anyways, let's go, guys. We have a music bot, and the task of the today's video is done. So, thanks a lot for watching, and now let's move on to the next task. What do I do now? Let's start by fixing or improving some stuff in our metadata. We can probably add some more things. Save the channel. Maybe we can add the messages. I don't know. Track await client to play roster. Queue.play. In our queues metadata, we can increase. We can give more things. Well, we
Copyright.
you saved, I guess, from copyright. Oh, you are right, man. I might have got a copyright strike for that. Damn. But shit. Anyways, what do we do next, Dipanshu sir? Do you have any suggestion?
Huh? एक second.
Oh,
Wait,
sounds
wait,
like
wait.
you are getting scolded. Uh, uh, um, fine. All right, guys. Do you guys have any suggestions on what I should do next? Because I have no damn idea. This is my first time creating a music bot, and I just copied a lot of code of Mr. End or Andromeda San. Thanks a lot for the help, man. It made things quite easier, not gonna lie. Let me just open the chat. Try Illustrator if you don't have anything else to do right now. Well, you are right. Maybe I should just record those short videos right now. Wait a second. Sounds fun. Well, what about Canva Code, man? Last time I created almost all of the stuff except for the cards, and I'm not sure if Shade or anyone else worked on it yet. Code.
Fuck, I forgot to take my medicine, so my mom was just yelling at me.
Medicine for what? Depression?
Antidepressant tablets.
Interesting. Antidepressant tablets. Cool.
My nerve suppression is off. Okay.
Well, uh, just a spoiler alert. Programming is equals to depression. Friends. There is a rank card
Can,
put on listed repo. You can try it.
can
Noida, history. Oh, we also have Spotify.
first go with the YouTube
Oh, what?
URLs.
Ooh, let's work on the rank card. Card. Should I make it functional or class based?
Maybe functional.
Andromeda telling that in DM cause YT live comment delayed. Oh, well, yeah, they are quite delayed for sure. I forgot how do I name stuff. That's how I do it. Call it rank card. Let's see what do we need in a rank card. We need required yeah, we need a lot of stuff. Format number. Oh, sounds like something new. Calling for sound. Then we will need the username. I think we will need a lot of stuff. Maybe class-based thing will be better because there are damn lot of things. So I will just do rank card, it extend null, right? And then we will need some functions for setting up the stuff. And yeah, we will need the constructor now, new constructor, and then we will have an object in the constructor. All right. Set some functions. First of all, public and static. It will not be as well. First one will be to set maybe username, and then we will need uh, username. It will be string, and then maybe we can add some stuff like font size, number, color. It will be a string. Maybe we have some here. Uh, this is the one. Let me. Yep, this is the one. Color config, and we will need the username, the font size, config, and maybe we can also have. By the way, let me make all of these optional. Let's make it 24 and then white. Color is declared by the string should be. I think I'm totally matching the damn thing.
क्रेजी अभी ऑनलाइन हो
Yes.
या फिर डेड?
Online. Whoa, crazy bot dead.
ओके,
Sad life. Let's add another property called visible, because why not? By default, it will be true. And now let's look into this part. What the hell I'm doing, man? B 0, 0. But good question. What do I do next? Try hashtag FF. It means white. That does not make sense. Thing is not a. Yes, I have another. I can just make something called const defaults. It can be an object. Have something like username color equals to this. What else? Okay, this thing was a mistake. Wait, now what? Type string. How do I? Well, I guess I will just make it a number. Let me say color config. Let me just plus T F to hexadecimal color. That's what we call it. Good question. Help, man. Help, man. What do I do next? Help. Right. Oh well, I can just steal his code, by the way. Dot set color. Oh, maybe I need capital letters. Oh, good question. All right. Seems like I managed to fix it for now. We can get help later on. Now let's do something else. Now we will need to add some properties. Should I make those properties private? Maybe. Let's check out old code. See if that's how it works. Library. Private. Well, let's get started with defining some stuff. First of all, we will have this dot username, and we can just make it equals to some random stuff. All right, I have an idea. Username by default is going to be text string font size, number, color config, color config, visible. Oh
क्रेजी में
yeah.
ऑलरेडी रैंक फंक्शन है ना सर?
हाँ है.
तो रैंक कार्ड रैंक
Hola, hello Arios online network. What's up, man? What's up? This for color, I will start with white, and then we have font size that can be 24 pixels. Text can be Shishui. No, say, let me just use my Google Translator. Give me a
Spanish.
second. Oh, Spanish. Spanish to English. Let's see. I don't know how I ended up here. Well, coincidentally, that's the same thing for me. I don't know how the hell I ended up here and why the hell I'm programming. I have no idea myself, man. We are same, bro. Anyways, what's up? What are you doing nowadays, man? I'm gonna set this thing to true. Yo, pro gaming, what's up? How was your practical? I think you didn't told me last time, so let's ask it now. By the way, color in number is color, name, and hex code. All right. Well, how do I convert a color into a number? Let me search. Discord. I told lol. Oh, I think I forgot that. Oh wait, I remember now. It was a Fibonacci series question. Discord hex color code to number. Discord color platelet. No. Yes, sir. All right. I guess my memory is not that bad, is it? Well, I don't know how the hell this thing works. The string is not assigning color const x. Let me use the translator once more. This time it is something related to bot. So that's quite interesting. See, that bot looks nice. Oh, thanks, man. Do you mean this bot? This one? Well, I just kind of made a music command thanks to Deepanshu sir.
क्रेजी हो.
Yes, very talented person. All right. Now, I don't have any idea on how I'm supposed to get the color of this thing. What happens? The type number. The hell is wrong with color? Color. Oh, I see what's wrong with me. I was supposed to do. Well, seems like color config is not what we are looking for. Instead, I'm just going to steal this part of their code and let's go on here. Let's go on here and paste it. And let's say interface color is equals to, okay, of interface I can just do type def. That's not how we do it. There was another way, I forgot, man. Let me search. Defining types in TypeScript. Well, right now I'm using neither LavaLink nor DistTube. I'm using FFmpeg with Discord dash player. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Interface and type. Yeah, that's how it works. Type color is equals to perfect. So guys, we are able to create the type thing, and now let me type color is equals to hashtag FFFF. Perfect. We no longer need all of that bullshit, and for this I can just do hashtag caps lock FFFFF, and we no longer need all of that bullshit. We no longer need this bullshit, and here I can just do color, and bam, we are done. So now we are doing great. I think we are doing great. um then I can just do this dot username. Let's call it username data instead. Data, they call it that. Yeah, this dot username data is equals to, and then first of all we will have the text. Instead of text, let's call it username as well, because why not. Now I will call it username will be username, of course. Font size will be font size, of course. And color will be color, of course. Visible will be visible, of course. I'm not sure if I wait, what. Oh, capital S. Let's make it capital S here as well. How the hell I can mess that? Okay, let's see. I have another message.
I do not understand English very well, but it looks entertaining as programs.
Oh, I don't know.
No.
Oh, but it looks entertaining as programs. Well, that sounds good. Well, I'm glad that it looks entertaining to you, and let's hope I can entertain more. Uh, and fetch some watch time. So I don't. Should I just add some? Maybe I don't need to do that. Let's just do return this. All right. Now we are setting the username. Let me just. Now let's try to make another function. Uh, First of all, we are done with the username. Then we will need the other data like rank. Let me just make a function for rank, of course. Copy paste and the paste, and now I will call it set rank. And this time first thing will be rank, and then instead of string it is going to be a number. And now instead of username it is going to be rank at the same time, rank rank. And now let's create a thing called rank data. It is going to be almost similar, but this time instead of username we have rank, of course, and it will be a number instead of string. Number. All right, so we are almost done, I guess. This data, let me just define this thing real quick, because why not. Rank data will be rank data, and that will be, let me just copy all of this stuff, copy it, paste it. Color doesn't matter, font size does not matters. Instead of username we have rank, and its value is going to be 1, because why not. All right, so we are done with the rank data part. I'm not sure if I'm going to get cancelled after coding this bad code, but let's see. After setting the rank we will need to set the label as well. I will just copy that, paste that, and and I will call it label this time. And now I just have to convert the small l into a capital L, and this is great. And I gotta make few more changes now. I can just copy paste, and instead of rank again I can just do label. And now we have label data, and instead of this I will do label as well. And now I just need to just copy paste, and instead of rank we have to do label once more. All right, now we have the set label function ready to go. And after that we have an error. Let me check that out. Link. It's not link, it's label. What the hell. All right, so we are setting the username, setting the rank, setting the label. What else do we need to set the avatar, and we need to set the background as well. All right. Yo, intro hacker, what it is. Oh, okay. This sounds interesting. We have quite interesting words this time. Hacker, Discord,
We
and
tried to make a Discord bot.
oh, interesting. I tried to make a Discord bot, but it didn't go well. Oh, I thought this was hacker, but it's not hacker, my bad. Well,
Same.
if you want, you can just look into my tutorials. That might help you out. No, well, you can try it. Oh, this means do. My bad. But anyways, you can try out some tutorials, or maybe you can just live your life happily instead of programming. That is a better option as well. Well, it depends on you.
That gives you depression.
Yeah, we have a great example of a young man called Dipanshu. He is suffering
Small
from.
chat, not a young man.
All right. So we are setting the username, rank, and the level. Now let's set some XP related stuff. Let me just copy paste. So we will say set XP. Let me just check what he is doing. What kind of functions do we have? We have set color. We have set font as well, and we have some right. Oh, that's the illustration part. My bad. All right. I guess I will just make a set XP function. Well, I think we can have two functions. One will be called set XP, and then we can have two other functions called set required XPs and set current XP. Then we will also need one for set level. Oh, we also have one for set level, my bad. Alright, let's see. We will need the visible and color thing no matter what. We will also need the font size. Let's just create two functions. XP will be a number, XP. And first of all, we have set required XP, XP. And then I'm just gonna call it required XP, copy and paste. And instead of label, we will call it XP now. And then we can just create another interface called XP data, and we will use it for both required and current XP. All right, that should make our life easier, I guess. Let me just call it required XP data and copy it, paste it, control plus X, control plus P. Instead of label, we will just do XP. And now after required XP, I'm gonna do the same thing for current XP. Current XP. So now we have two XP based things. Set required XP is done. I'm gonna make one set current XP. Set current XP. Now what do we do? We have set current XP. We have almost everything, I guess. All right, we have another message. Let me just read it out real quick. This well, I can see the word subscribe. That sounds quite good to me. But let's see. It was a pleasure to be in your life. I was already subscribed. Maybe I saw your tutorials. Oh, I see. Well, yeah, that might be true. You might have saw some videos, and I'm glad that
It's a
you like.
simple.
Yeah. Well, and if you want some help, you can let me know. I will try to help. Well, I think I can help you if you need. Anyways, let's get back to the programming part. So we are done with setting the XP, the label, the rank, and the username. Now let's set some images. I think I will start with the avatar and then the background. And by the way, maybe we should give some more options to the user, like setting their axis as well. Well, that will be good. Maybe not.
User avatar.
Yep, set avatar. All right. First of all, we will need the image. Then we will need the width, and then we will need the height, and then we will need the visibility. All right. So we have image, width, and height and visibility. Width and height. And let's add x and y axis on all of these things as well, because maybe I should make them an object. That's a good question. Instead of lot of parameters, I can just create a single object that should make their life easier for sure. Or maybe I can just ignore that and let me just add some more variables real quick. X axis will be a number by default. I will just make it 50 for now because I have no idea what will be the actual axis later on. So for now, let me just paste it, and now I will call it Y, and then I'm just gonna copy this X and Y axis thing and paste it to all of the things above. After color, I will just paste it here as well, and then I can paste it here as well. Boom, here as well, and here as well. All right. So now we are done with the X and Y axis, and maybe we should do another thing like new properties here. X will be a number and copy paste, and now Y will be a number. All right, looks good. And I will just copy it and paste it on all the other properties. Maybe I should have created a base property with, yeah, that will be better. Let me do that. Yeah, let me do it real quick. Interface text property, and it will have some things which are common. These 5 things. Let me just paste them all. And now in our username thing, extend the text property. Pretty simple, isn't it? And now I can do the same for every damn thing. Let me just copy and paste that stuff. Shift, copy, paste. And in our rank data, we no longer need all of this. Just remove it and extend it. Add a space here. Boom. And let me just do the same here. It is level data. I can just remove all of this stuff. And I can do same here maybe. Yep, I can do it. Let me remove all of this stuff. And that's it. What is the problem now? There's no trigger data. XP font size. Oh, they are missing the property X and Y axis. Yeah, they do. Well, it is easily fixable. I can just do X comma Y. What you are doing today? Yo, Sestero, I'm just well, I was making a music bot at start with Deepanshu sir. Thanks to his creative skills, I was able to create it as well. But now I'm working on the Canva code package you might know about. Well, I'm working on its rank card, and I think I'm not making good progress, but let's see. Let's hope I can make some good stuff today. And what else? We still have some errors. What is wrong? Type color as well. So let me just copy paste some more stuff. We need a lot of more stuff to copy paste. We need some X and Y axis. Well, for now, I'm just gonna do 0, 0 because I have no idea what will be the actual axes. Well, at least right now, I don't have any damn idea about that. So let me just paste, and boom. And after that, what else? What is wrong here, man? Oh, set avatar. I think this is not done yet. Let me just remove this part. And now I'm gonna call it this dot avatar data because avatar data will have probably all of these called image, width, height, x and y axis, and visibility and stuff. So I'm gonna create another interface maybe. Well, I have another idea now. I'm gonna say I'm gonna make this thing called interface basic property, and it will have all of these things. And now our text property will extend the basic property. So this thing is going good, man. This thing is going good. By the way, try to make a music board which can give cover images from Spotify, and after it will add a border using Canva code. Then we'll use the image as the thumbnail of the playing embed. Oh well, I think I will need to look into some API which can give me all of that data. Well, probably Discord player have that thing. I've never tested it, so I have no damn idea on that. I might look into it and then I will let you know. Well, yeah, I guess I will look into that and then let you know. All right. Anyways, let me just copy paste some more stuff. After text property, we have another property called image property. These things will not have a font size. Instead, they will have a width and a height. Everything else seems perfect. All right. Now, what else? Well, I think adding all of these properties is a waste, like username data, rank data, label data. Instead, I can do another thing like leave. Let's leave that for now. It's fine like this. Let's create another property called avatar data interface avatar data. It will extend the
Spotify का cover background as an embed use करना quite deeper.
put. Do you have a doubt,
Like
sir?
Spotify का cover background एक embed में use करना.
Discord embed.
Um,
Sounds cool.
quite difficult.
बस image URL ही तो fetch करना है. API, we just need an API and then we can do it. We just need an API to give us this. Then we can just put the URL. But I have no damn idea on the API things. No comments if I can even make it or not. But yeah, what's up? Anyways, let me just get the name Illustrator image paste. So now we
We
have
should make a separate music bot from the beginning.
maybe. Well, you can help me out, then I can do it, I guess.
Like from the basics.
Well, yeah, probably. Well, I think we have a music bot already. We can play music. Let me show you real quick. Slash play, and then the query will be NCS because we don't want copyright, of course. Yeah, volume mode. We have a cool Discord bot already, man. We are too close. We can be a multi-millionaire Discord bot creator. How the hell I'm supposed to skip it? Good question. Alright. Yo Leo, yo what's up man? Yo Sistero, what's up everybody? Right, let me get back to the coding part because why not? Copy, paste. This time it will be avatar data and then we can just call this avatar data as well. Avatar. And instead of font size and stuff, we will have width, height. Width will be 50, height will be 50 as well because I have no idea about the stuff yet. And then we will have the last property called avatar that will be empty for now. And yeah, that's it. Now we gotta fix this function called avatar data, and here we can we just call this thing avatar. Then we have width, we have height, we have x, we have y, we have visible. If we need anything else, we have color as well. And instead of this, we will say image source, Illustrator image. Perfect. What's wrong with the color thing? Oh, we don't need the color thing, man. Why will our image need color? Am I dumb? So basic property, put that in the text property because we don't need color. So what's wrong now? We still have an error. Avatar data, yes, we don't need color. Alright guys, we are done with the avatar data. Now we need the same thing for background data, I guess. Just copy paste.
अच्छा सर पाइथन कितना किया है?
पाइथन बेसिक्स जैसे नॉर्मल हेलो वर्ल्ड वगैरह और जो लूप बुक ऑब्जेक्ट वो सॉरी डिक्शनरी छोटी मोटी
लाइक पाइथन से बॉट कोड कर सकता है ना?
हाँ, आई कैन ट्राई फॉर श्योर.
मुझे भी पाइथन लाइक इजी पड़ेगा तो मैं ट्राई करता अलग सेपरेट बॉट पाइथन से ट्राई करता हूँ.
ओके सर.
लाइक क्योंकि मेरा जावा है और पाइथन है ना बेसिक ऐप डेव में, तो अगर मैं लाइक जावा स्क्रिप्ट के लिए जाता हूँ तो मेरे को बहुत वास्ट पड़ जाएगा.
और उसके अलावा
क्योंकि मेरे को ऑलरेडी फ्लैट डार्ट और जावा करना है.
गिटहब पे रेपो को बनाऊंगा भैया।
जावा भी बहुत है, पर जावा के सिर्फ एंड्रॉइड के एप्स बने।
अच्छा जावा।
फ्लटर में दोनों iOS और एंड्रॉइड चलता है ना, इसलिए डार्ट सीखना पड़े।
ओह यार, I don't make apps, no idea, no. Now instead of avatar, we will do background. Alright, we are done with avatar, background, and lot of text. And what else? We are done with background, avatar, lot of text. Do we need anything else? Maybe we don't need anything else. So we will need avatars border width, border color. Alright, let me add these properties to the avatar thing real quick. Border width, border color. Alright, let me add these properties real quick. Border width, border color. And now we will go on this part. Border width, it will be a number. And then we can have the border color as well. Border the color. Now we are done. Here I just have to do some more stuff. Border width, the border color. And I think I should use object because I have a better idea now. So what I can do is, let me just try it out real quick. Control plus X, we add an object, paste that stuff here, and instead of colons, we'll do, let's see, so let me do,
कितना देर और स्ट्रीम कर रहा है?
30 minutes.
मैं फिर लंच कर लेता हूँ, उसके बाद मैं देखता पाइथन या JS।
And then let me know what you want to do.
मेरे भी प्रैक्टिकल चला।
Oh, cool.
लाइक तू भी पाइथन से करेगा तो मेरे ख्याल से तेरे को भी, क्योंकि JS तेरे को आता है ऑलरेडी अच्छा, और कुछ बचा है नहीं JS में तेरे पास सीखने को।
Thank you, sir. Motivation.
तो पाइथन से करेगा तो और सीख लेगा।
प्रैक्टिस तो हो जाएगी भाई।
हाँ, पाइथन इजी भी है, इंग्लिश जैसा ही है।
हाँ ये तो है, वेरिएबल ऐसे डिफाइन हो गए।
हाँ, आता लंच करके।
नहीं तो और अब
वही।
कब बनाने का प्लान है म्यूजिक बोर्ड?
मैं तो कभी भी स्टार्ट कर सकता हूँ, लाइक
अभी
चाहे आज या कल, कभी भी।
अभी कर दो स्टार्ट, बिल्कुल। दैट विल बी कूल। ऐसा करो ना,
और-
गिटहब पे रिपोजिटरी बना लो, वहाँ पे फिर इजी हो जाएगा। और अब मैं साथ में अपना प्रमोशन भी कर ही दे रहा हूँ। मेरे पे एक वीडियो है, उसमें लिखा हुआ, सॉरी, उसमें मैंने बताया कि हाउ टू गिटहब रिपोजिटरी। वेरी ब्रिलियंट वीडियो, क्योंकि फिर गिटहब पे हो जाएगा तो थोड़ा आसान, स्ट्रीम का भी इतना चक्कर, इजी एज फॉर।
कितने महीने पहले बनाई थी
क्या चीज?
वीडियो?
अच्छा एक मिनट में लिंक ही भेज, मेरे हिसाब से कुछ बात। इसमें गिट का CLI वगैरह इंस्टॉल मत करा है वो सब, ताकि हो जाए सही के लिए। That stream was very productive. Let me know,
मैं आता लंच करके फिर
brother. Good night. Sorry, good afternoon.
बाय बाय
Bye bye. Alright, guys. Now I got a code, some cool stuff, and let me just close my bot as well because we no longer need it to be active. Control plus C. And guess what now? We were working on Canva codes, so let's actually finish the things real quick because it's taking way too long and we are not allowed to take that much time, right? Otherwise, I will get fired and I'm not interested in that. Who wants to get fired? Well, not me. Let me just paste some stuff and then we just have to do control plus D's, a lot of them, and then we just have to delete some stuff. Then we will call it avatar data. Perfect. And then we have the set background thing. So we have the background data. Control plus X, paste. We'll call it background data. And then we have the colon thing. Control delete that. Now we are done with that. All right, cool. So we are done with almost everything, I guess. Let me check out the code. We have the name, we have the username, we have the rank, we have the label. Oh, we will need to give the for the labels as well. I will make some stuff for them. And then we have what else? We have we have label for everything. We have probably border stuff that is done. We have stuff that is done as well. Just need a function to set the font and they're good. Alright. Let me just make some functions for setting the color of the labels. And then I think I should just actually make a command for setting the font and then we are done. So let's just go on here. Let me make this thing called set font. And before that, let's see what is he doing in the set font function. We are, oh, not this. How do we register font? Register. We give them the path, then we give them the name. All right, what's up? We can make a function called set font in which we will ask for the path and then we will ask for the name. And then in every damn thing that we created, we give them another property called font. All right, we have the font size and we'll call it font or maybe font family. Let's first of all we will need the path, that will be a string. We need the name, that will be a string. We will return this here as well. And by the way, before that, this is quite fun, not gonna lie. I don't know, man. This is quite fun for some reason. Let's see, what do we do? Draw rounded. Oh, draw rounded. Let's add another property to our avatar. Rounded. Avatar. Where is it? Rounded. It will be a boolean. Now let's go on avatar data. And here we will do rounded. It will be a boolean. Oh, no. That's not what you do. So here you do round true by default. And then you go on here and you rounded true. Perfect. Now what do we do, guys? We have almost all stuff. How do okay, let's go on the constructor and let's do some great stuff now. So what do we do? First of all, we need to create a new illustrator. How do we do that? I have no idea. Where did he define that? Oh, there we go. We will also need the height and stuff of our canvas. I can make that thing in our constructor. First of all, we will have the height. It will be a number. By default, it will be equals to whatever he have. Height is 512. And then we have width, that will be a number. By default, it is 2048, I think. Yes, it is. And then what we are going to do is, instead of this, we will do this dot illustrator equals to new illustrator, and I'm gonna from our tool thing as well, uh, comma. And instead of config dot, we don't need to remove it. And we also need to define the illustrator type right here. Private illustrator. Its type is going to be illustrator. Perfect. So we are done with that. We have our illustrator, width and height. That's so perfect. We just need to do the set font. For that, I'm just this dot illustrator dot register. How do we register font, by the way? See, illustrator background bullshit. And what do we have? Uh, we are registering the font on the text tool. Then I can do this dot illustrator dot um all right. So guys, now we have to actually set the font. For that case, I guess I will just, this is a good question. How do we set font for something? This is going to be a bit of a issue. Well, we can just first of all give a property called font to every text property, and then we can just we can just consider their input as a family name. But now what if they want to register a font? How do we do that? Let me check it out real quick. Do we have something like register font? I don't really remember. Let me check out. Oh, we cannot really do that, but we will need to create a new text tool. So if I do new text tool, but I think the text tool will need the layer, right? It do need the layer. All right, but we do not have the layer yet. So what do we do about that? Well, I think I should just create some layers early on. First of all, the background layer, then we will have the text layer, and then we can have an image layer, I guess. So that the image thing is, no. First of all, we have the background layer, then we will have the text layer, and then we will have the avatar layer. These three layers sounds good, or maybe not. Maybe they are fine. All right. Let me just create a couple more layers. See, what do I do? This dot illustrator dot create dot layers dot create layer, and then we have some options. What are these? Name. First of all, the background layer is the background layer, doesn't matter. Then we have the text layer. All right, and then we have the position that can be 1, and then we have the avatar layer, because I just want, for some reason, differentiate between these two things, I guess. Maybe, why not? Now what do I do? I can just make these things as a property as well. I will do text layer, will have the image layer, but before that, let's layer TV. Instead of text this time, it will be image layer. Now what I have to do is I will just this dot text layer is equals to that, and then this dot image layer is equal to that, and then, well, we can have a background layer thing like that. TV this dot illustrator dot background, and I can just have a property called background layer. Do that. This dot background layer is equal to that, because why not? Hey yo, what's up? Yo, Flexi, what's up, man? Is that what's up, man? Well, I'm just creating Canva code stuff like that. Let me just call it background. So what I'm actually doing is, the Canva code package, it is on version 5 or something, and right now I am finishing the version 6, which is on delay since maybe 2 or 3 months. Well, my bad, but long time no see. Yes, man, I think it's been maybe more than a month, maybe even a lot more than that. Maybe it is a lot more than that because it's been half a month since I'm giving my exams. Yeah, it is totally more than a month. Anyways, what's up, man? What are you doing? What are you up to nowadays, man? Cool, I quit coding. Yo, what's up? You quit coding? Well, I'm like, technically that is good because now you are free of depression. But what's up, man? What happened? Why are you quitting the coding thing, man? Is anything wrong or something? Or life stuff? You no longer have time or something? School, bro. Oh shit, school. Well, my bad. I forgot that school exists. Ah shit. Cool, man. Come on. Well, can't help it. That kind of sucks. The school thing, but well. Anyways, good luck with school, I guess. This kind of sucks, man. Register font, give it font buffer, and then oh man. Well, anyways, I think for myself, I have some issues with school myself, but it's kind of fine. Let's see. Well, I'm kind of stuck in school myself, but it's my final year, so I'm kind of doing okayish. I'm kind of doing well. Thank you too. Good luck with coding. Yeah, thanks a lot, man. Anyways, what do we do nowadays, man? Just stuck with school and shit. I mean, I guess that's what is happening. Well, it kind of sucks. Well, oh man. Well, can't help it. Well, I think I kind of quitted programming once as well. Maybe let me check out my GitHub. Should tell me when was that? Yeah, been ages since I last played anything. Oh man. Well, that is quite extreme. You are not even playing games, no programming. Well, that kind of sucks. Maybe it was in 2021, yeah. Maybe not. Well, I think this was the time when I kind of quitted programming a bit. Maybe. I don't really remember, but there was some time when I was really active in programming, probably due to school. Maybe it was a couple of months ago. I don't really remember. Ah, man. But I'm almost done with my school. It's like I have to study for maybe 8 months more, and then I'm free, and then I can probably code more freely and more easily. But well, I guess you have to finish up the school, and then you will be free as well, man. Just gotta wait for some time, and then all good. And good luck with that. It might be well quite hard, or who knows, man. You might even forget how to code. Broke my laptop, so I can't even write code. What? Uh, bro, what the hell? You broke the damn laptop? Oh shit. Ah, that's quite harsh. Oh man. Well, I mean, like, I don't know, man. I don't really know what to say myself. I guess good luck with the studies for now. And let's hope you can do some good stuff in the school. Then you can code and make cool shit. Probably. Well, maybe you should do whatever is best for you. Well, I don't know what is best for myself, so I don't think I should comment on others yet. Well, yeah. Well, right now I created a function called set font. Now I have to make something called set rank label and set label and then set XP current. Ah man, this is a lot of stuff. I don't really want to do it, lol. Let's see. Well, we'll add a property in our text thing and I'm gonna call it font family. Font family, it will be a string. And now I have to do some stuff. Let's see. What should be the dot set font? He is using this Manro bold font everywhere. That kind of sucks. I guess I will just use Arial for now because I have no damn idea about any other font. I'm gonna do font family Arial and I'm gonna add a comma, control plus X. I will paste it here, control X, paste it there, control X, paste it there, control plus X. Alright. And now I just have to copy the font family and paste it and every damn text based property. And apart from that, like, see, like you are in which grade or maybe high school or something? What is it? That I mean, like What is it which made you even break your damn laptop and stuff? That's quite that's quite new to me. Well, I mean, like, I don't really have the gut to break my laptop because if I do that, I might get my ass broken. So I don't really do that. So I'm quite interested in what's up. What can make a human break their own laptop? Quite sad indeed. And apart from that, copy pasting code is quite sad in itself. Like, I'm not really making any progress. I'm just copy pasting the thing I wrote just now. It's kind of stupid, but is what it is. All right, that avatar. I think it. All right. Now I just need to do some more things for the label set label. I don't really want to do it, man. We have a lot of stuff now. We will need a function for exporting all of this. All right, I think I should get ready to create a function to export it all. That is going to yes, it's gonna suck. All right, I guess I will ask Andromeda for more suggestions. Let me ask him real quick. If the channel has been unlocked. Oh, it was locked. You free got some. Wait, what was? Technically, it's the same bot, but it is I use in my personal server. Oh, okay. Hello. Let me mention Ansan and let me ask him a question. Um, what should I ask? To be honest, I have no damn idea. That's a good question. Well, first of all, guys, let me just create a couple more functions for label. Is a text property, so I'm gonna say set xp no set rank label. It will be for setting the properties of the rank label itself. It is just a text property. It don't have anything else. We have the color, font family size, visibility, x and y axis. That's it. And of course, I'm not going to write it all. I'm just gonna go and copy it from here. And when the thing is going to suck, I will need to write it all later on. It's going to actually suck. But let's see what is going to happen. What's up here, man? Parameter initialize is only allowed in a function constructor. It is a function. It is a function. Damn, what is wrong with this? Alright. So now I need to do more stuff. Rank lib. Right. I'm gonna create a couple more properties. Let's do this part. Copy it. Paste it here. Current XP label data. And we will not need this. We will just do text property because it is a simple text property. Anything else is none of our concerns. I'm gonna copy paste, and this time instead of current XP, it will be required XP, and then it will be. Let me just do some more things. First of all, it will be label data, and then it will be rank label data. Just call it rank label data, and maybe we do not need for anything else. All right, perfect. So now I have to add functions for all of these datas. All right, let me just do it real quick. This dot rank label data is equals to what? Font size, the color, the X, the Y, the font family, and the visible thing. Do we need anything else? Nope, we don't. And then we are just gonna do return this. So you guys can see this thing is going pretty much well. Now let me just copy it, paste it, and now instead of rank, I'm gonna go level, and then here I'm gonna do level, and after that we will need to do the XP thing. Let me just remove that. Will be current XP, of course, and then I'm just copy this, and in that level I will just paste, and instead of C I will make it a capital C. And then we need to do the final one, that is required level XP level. Ah man, I'm talking stupid stuff right now, to be honest. uh Copy it, and instead of current I'm just going to do paste and record. All right. Perfect. I think we have function for each and every damn thing now. We have functions for labels, we have function for images, we have function for text. Now we have function for the avatar's border as well. Now we just need a function for exporting it all. Oh dude, I forgot the bar. We also have the XP bar, man. So let's think about the XP bar. We will need the X and Y axis. We will need the maximum width. We will need the height. And then we will need the empty color and fill the color. That's all the things that we will need. So let me just create a property for that real quick. I'm not sure what are the things that maybe let me just create an interface, and if it matches the properties of another interface, then I will just extend it later on. So I will call it bar data, and then first of all I will need the, of course, X and Y axis. So let me just extend the data. What do we call it? Basic property. All right, basic property. So now what do we have? What do our basic property have? We have the visibility, we have the X and Y axis. Now we need the width and maximum width and height. Let me just call it maximum width. It will be a number. Then we will have a height thing. Call it height. So now we have maximum width and height. Now we'll need some colors. It will be empty color. That will be a color. And then it will be filled color. Let me just do filled color. Now what else? We have the height of that thing. We have the bars width. We have their colors. I think I said few more things. X and Y axis is there. Visibility is there. Do we need anything else, guys? What do you say? I don't think that we. What else can a bar have? Let me check out. Where is he creating the bar? XP background. X2 and rectangle tool. Draw rounded rectangle. Set the fill color. Draw rounded rectangle. Yep, that's the thing. Then what? Um, all right, these are the only things that we need: the colors and the axis and the width and the height. So as you guys can see, we probably just have to make this function called set bar data. I will just call it set bar, set xp bar, xp bar. We need to provide some data. I'm gonna call it bar data, and we're gonna do this. Now we need some stuff, so I'm just gonna copy some stuff, copy it, paste it. Instead of color, it will be empty color, and then it will be something else. Let me try to, instead of empty color this time, it is filled color. After filled color, we have few more things like height. Height can be, I don't know what is the height here, man. The height is 412. No, no. What? Height is 412 and radius is 50. Not making much sense. Oh, this is a different thing, I guess. This is the thing. Height is 50, radius is 50. All right. Okay, let me give them the option for choosing the bar radius as well. I will call it bar radius, and I'm gonna go on this function. Height is equals to 50, and then bar radius is equals to 50, and then the maximum width is equals to, what is it? Is the bar width? Where did you define that, man? It is e divided by xp. That is 141. Maybe let's make it 1002. Let's make it 1413 for now, because he must have done the math, so it is going to be useful. Do we need anything else? Nope, we don't. And now we just need to define this property thing above. The hell is wrong with me? Let me just copy the object part only. Copy, and then let's define a property called xp bar data. Yeah, fine. Here it will be xp bar data will be a xp will be a bar data is going to be equals to that. Now instead of these, we will have these. All right. And now after commas, we will have some enter. Seems perfect. Now let me just put that here. Oh, I should have copied it. I'm so dumb. Let's go back to here and let me just copy it, and I will just paste it. This dot xbar data. Then I'm gonna remove that shit. Now I will do control plus C, enter, control plus X, comma. Perfect. And now at the end, I will just do return this. So, oh shit, why the hell I clicked on caps lock? Return this. So now we have the function which will actually fix our XP bar as well. So now I officially think all of the functions are finally done. Now we can just have two more functions. First of all, the export function, it will just export the thing. And then we can have another function like dot to JSON, maybe. Nah, we don't really need that. Come on. Do we need it? Maybe we don't. Maybe we do. Who knows? We will find out. Or maybe we don't need to care about that. Come on. Do I need to care about that? I think I should care about that. Maybe not. I have no idea, to be honest now. I have some conflict in my mind. I think I need to ask him what to do. It's hard. Alright, let's just feed the export function. Async. Well, it should be a build function because we are not really exporting. We will be actually building the thing. So I will call it async build, and it will return them some image. Let's see, what do we do now? This dot illustrator dot export. We have some config illustrator export config. Perfect. Dot buffer. What the hell is this thing returning? It returns us a buffer. Promise. I think I will need a await. I do need a await. That's perfect. So I coded something. Join the team. I'll just need to make the build function. All right. And well, now either he will like this thing or either I have to rewrite probably everything. Well, let's see what will happen. I'm not really a big fan of what I did just now, and rather it's quite weird. So let's see what is going to happen. Let's hope I'm not going to get cancelled or something. Let's see what will happen now. All right, let's wait for him. And meanwhile, we can read some text. Can't see the channels? Please contact our staff member. Let's get back. All right, he's typing something. Probably he's going to say, I am in the stream. Or maybe he's going to say, figure it out. Or maybe he will say, do anything, which I don't know, man. Let's see what will happen. Unschool gamer. Hello world, a human pops up. Yo, welcome human pops up. All I just put it. All right. Um, actually do the building. And let me just rename this thing to, rank card, because we no longer have cards things. So it is just a rank card. And then I will need to fix the index. Show preview. Oh, apply it. Wow, that's so perfect. Now let me just try to run some scripts. Let's go to package.json. Let's run npm run build, and then also try the check thing, npm run check. Well, I should have done that earlier maybe, but who cares? It's fine anyways. Perfect. And now let's try to do something more. We will do, let's try to require the stuff. What do we have here? We have a rank card thing. We can do new rank card. But let me remove the new part real quick. I think I know the reason it is. Now it should work. Yep. Height. Then we have the width. And then we can do the set thing. And the avatar data and stuff, it should be private. Private. Let me make it all private real quick. And then everything else is fine. Let me make all of this private. I forgot. I didn't make this thing private, man. I'm so dumb. Copy it. Private. Sounds good. Let's look into t.js. But let me make it t.ts for a second. Let's do import from dot slash this, and we have the rank card. Let's try to do new rank shit card. Ask for the stuff. Then we have dot avatar data. It is showing that stuff, but private. It should not show. But do that even matters? Why will you show something? Oh, I didn't build that thing. npm run build. I'm so dumb. I keep on forgetting the simplest things, man. Anyways, npm run build, npm run check. Because why not? Yes, sir. It is not showing the suggestion. That's so good. Amazing. And let me just test it out with .js as well. Because Z a lot. Let's see. Yep, everything is gone. Let me just delete the t.js file. Alright, guys. So the good news is we are done with the structural thing. We just need to make the final thing that will actually build the rank card. But we are done with the functions that will set the properties. So let me just push the code. Git add dot git commit rank card class basics, and let me just push the code real quick. Origin master, no, it's not master, it's develop develop, yes sir. And now what do? I guess I just wait, and I will say pushed. And yeah, I guess, what's up? Oh man, I'm streaming from for almost 2 hours. Well, thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I coded quite a lot of stuff. It was fun, and thanks a lot for watching. And yeah, till then, bye. Hopefully I will meet you soon. And yeah,